Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is more B-Sharps content, and today we'll be buying a Mythic egg and opening it. Right now in the game where I am in the stage, I want to be either red or white hive, so I'm hoping for either Vector, Fuzzy, or Spicy Bee, and either of those would do for me. I kinda just don't want Tadpole because it's more of a blue hive bee, and white and red hive don't normally use it. But it will still be useful, so any Mythic bee I get will be pretty useful. So this will probably help me in the progress in this game. Okay, so I'm gonna buy a mythic egg real quick. I bought the mythic egg. Okay, it made a noise. And I'm going to be replacing the diamond bee right below the Riley bee because I probably won't need it. So, oh yeah, that was a failure. 3, 2, 1, Vector bee!
Yo, you got a vector bee.
I got a Vector bee. Pretty sick. Okay.